Okay, this is my bike check. The frame is a Fit bf1 2012. I'm rocking Animal Edwin grips with the Animal PC bar ends. I have the stock bars. The stock stem is a Fit BF stem. Moving down, I have the stock forks. And then I have Demolition Momentum tires, white walls, and 2.35s, both front and back. I have a Alienation Black Sheep rim laced to a Mission Stalwart FA hub. I'm rocking a Shadow Conspiracy Little One peg in the front and back. In the front, I have a G-Sport MK3 Universal hub guard. Just got it today. And coming back on the bike, I have the Animal stitched seat and a stolen Thermalite seat post with the regular seat clamp. I have Odyssey twisted PCs. They're really old and worn out. Going to the other side, I have a sprocket, or it's a stock sprocket Fit 25 tooth and the stock cranks. And then I just have a white KMC chain. Going to the back, basically the same as the front. Demolition Momentum white wall 2.35, Alienation Black Sheep rim laced to a Mission React hub. Yeah. And then for pegs in the back, I have the Shadow Little One, and my hub guard is a Animal Pin hub guard in blue. So there you have it. That is my bike. Make sure to like and subscribe.